We're an end-to-end shop here providing services and solutions for the medical device and industrial communities. In our business, what's important is speed to first good part. It's critical that you have the machine capability coupled with the software capability to work quickly. We've got the full complement of Willem and Macadel 408s and 508 multitasking milling centers. The benefits of using a multitask machine are that we can get at many sides without a re-chucking. I don't know that we would even have the ability to pull off some of the parts that we're making without the multi-axis equipment. Being able to rely on our programming software is super important when it comes to these ultra-high precision pieces of equipment. We have some very good programmers on staff, and GibbsCAM is resoundingly their software of choice.
At ARCH Cutting Tools Menor, we make specialized automotive cutting tools for any automotive need. We decided to buy a multitask machine because it cuts down from the time going to the lathe or the mill or back to the lathe if you need to turn both sides. Since we purchased the MTM, we've essentially eliminated 2 lathes and live tooling on those lathes. Easy 60% save time. GibbsCAM actually makes it pretty easy to simplify everything. The tool pathing is way easier than MasterCAM or any other program that I've worked with. It's 2 or 3 clicks and it's good to go.
The software is really good. It's very easy to manipulate. We have guys that can put 3 or 4 setups on one machine in one shift. If we didn't have GibbsCAM, we would never be able to do that.
I really like the machine simulation. I got 7-axis Willem machine out there, and we have a lot of things moving around. And to be able to watch the simulation and be able to make sure we're not going to crash the machine is very good.
I would highly recommend Gibbs for anybody that wants to move into MTM machining. The ability to save time comes so easy with Gibbs that there really isn't another choice.
Without GibbsCAM, I don't know how we would operate in this shop. It takes a powerful piece of software to be able to go from our customers' ideas and requirements into real tangible solutions and products. GibbsCAM has given us the capability just to make components that couldn't be made any other way.